Hello everyone. So today we will discuss about the active indicator. Okay. The another name of that is called as loader. Okay. So basically today we are discussing about these two packages. Okay. One which is given by the React Native and second which is a package. Okay, which is provided by npm. So let's first discuss about the active indicator. So how active indicator will be look like. Okay. So you already seen my thumbnail. Okay. So let's directly write React Native component. It is basically a component of React Native. Okay. So yeah, so whenever we have to show the loader, okay, of any screen or any page, see this kind of loader, so that time we are using this one, active indicator. Okay. So that the name, as the name suggests, active indicator. Indicator means it is like a sign, or active means it is working right now, it is active. That is called as active indicator. So active indicator is provided by React Native. So in that code, that will be inherited, means that is like import by React Native, and then we just write as a component, small bracket, active indicator slash close. Okay. They have different sizes, like if you want small, then you just write small, large, and then a medium. Okay. If you want any color, you just specify the property color, and then in the bracket just write your color code over there. So it's look like this. Okay. They have some different properties. If you want any animations, then you just true a boolean, and then here true and false animation, true or false. Okay. You just write animation over there, and then in over there. Okay. And then true or false. For example, these are color property color. So what we do, we just write color over there, C. Okay. And then the color code, so similar to the animation, same as their other properties, hidden when stop. Okay. मतलब when the active when the indicator, or when you want to hide your loader, that time that property will be used. Okay. Similar to the other properties. So yeah, that is like a brief interview of introduction about the active indicator. For how we can implement this is a very simple things. Okay. You just refer this code, or you can use any AI tools to use this one. There is another package which is called as React Native Loader Kit. Okay. That is a very good library. They provide a lot of another loaders as well. So if I go to the npm package of that one, see there is this very popular library, recently updated in 90 days ago. Weekly download will be like 2687. Okay. Okay. So yeah, these are the things, like these are the loaders which is provided by this package, like this dot dot, and then round, and then many types of loader. Okay. See this one, this. So in order to use this package, what you have to do, you just have to install that package. No need to do any other steps. Okay. Rest it will be like done automatically. You just need to do pod install, and then yeah, run. No need to do any things in our Android and iOS. So you just have to import. After that import, similar to the active indicator, use this one. And yeah, they provide a style property. This name means that what kind of loader you want. Okay. So for now it is bell plus. How you know this name? So basically this name is over there, you under the uses, you can see the listed animation base, bell, grid plus, and yeah, many different types of loader name will be there, so you can use one by one, which whatever you like it, you just use it. Okay, so these are the names. Okay. Okay, so that enough for now. If you face any issue, so you can just pin me in the comment. I will, if you face any issue while implementing these things, I'm damn sure that you will not get any issues in that part. Okay, for React Native Active Indicator. But if in case you find any issues in React Native loader kit, just pin me. I will resolve that issue. Okay, no issue. I will directly connect with you in Google Meet or any other medium. So yeah, thanks for watching the video. We will meet in the next video.